Aloha from Maui, it's Lucky, inviting you to inquire about my coaching services. I love being a channel of peace. I am a big fan of the St. Francis prayer, Lord, make me a channel of thy peace, that where there is hatred, I may bring love, that where there is wrong, I may bring the spirit of forgiveness. That's something that I work on a daily basis in my personal life, is the spirit of forgiveness. Most of the time, I'm working on forgiving myself. I am a human, and I a lot of times want to be God. I want to be perfect. I want everything that I think and do and say to turn out well, and it doesn't, because I'm a woman and very much a human, and I goof up, I say the wrong thing, I think negative things quite often. And then I remember, oh yeah, I have these tools that can help me, like the St. Francis prayer. That's something that I recite on a regular basis, and that helps me. And that came to me from one of my mentors, and I'm open to the universe, to being mentored, to being teachable. That's the definition of humility for me. One of the definitions is being teachable. And if you are teachable and you're looking for some accountability and support, we might be a good fit. So you can check out my coaching services at wellnesswithlucky.com. If you have questions or interest in moving forward with choosing me as your coach, I am open to possibilities. Aloha.